Transferring files between different operating systems has been always a nightmare. Not too long, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fight against this nightmare. Let's go! This way supports sharing files between iPhone, Windows, Android, Mac, and Linux. So with using this way, you can share anything with anyone. The first thing that we need to pick up for fighting against operating systems is installing Blink app. Just open blink.net, this is the original website, then go to the download part. Because I have only Windows operating system right now, I can't show you how you can install it on Mac, but believe me, the setup installation is same. By the way, if you're using Windows operating system, you can easily open Microsoft Store and in here search Blink app, then install it. Because we're new users, we need to sign up into this app. Just give them your email, after that they can send you a code. Type the code to log in or complete your sign up. The final step is installing Blip on your other operating system. It does not matter that you use iPhone or Android device. Just go to your store and then search Blip, then download it. With this app, you can share your files in a second, but before sharing any files, let's go to the settings. On settings, I recommend you to disable auto startup. That's my recommendation because whenever I need, I can easily open the app. You can enable and disable sound effects too. We have a cool option in here, auto exit. For myself, I set it into my device, so when I start sharing files between my devices, I can receive them as fast as possible. You can change the save location in here. If you want, you can also turn on the speed diagnosing on. Another pro option that this software has is you can set a speed limit for your send and receive files. I don't enable it because I want to receive and save files as fast as I can. On Profile tab, you will see searchable by name. This option is kind of good because we logged in into our email, so right now, if we search anyone's name, we can easily upload a file for him. But the note that I need to tell you is it's going to use your data. This way it's going to use your data. For making your files secure, you can set a password on it with using file compressor apps like 7zip or WinRAR. I created a video about them. Click to the card, the top card, so you can see them. On Devices tab, you can manage your devices. You can add and remove the devices that are connected into your device. How much device I told in here? For now, it's time to test this software. So right now, I'm going to share a file with using my Android into my Windows operating system. You can do this with using your iPhone too. The whole setup is easy. I'm not going to talk anymore. Just see the result on the screen. If you have high-speed router in here, you can easily receive better speed. The router speed and your phone Wi-Fi version is really important on this part. But in total, you can receive and send files as fast as you can in easiest way, wireless. Let me tell you a pro tip. If you are using your iPhone to share your files into your Windows operating system and then realize that the file progress is still at the same position, the file progress stacks, you need to do this. Turn on your iPhone screen and after that, go to the gallery because you select this file sharing on your gallery. So after you open the gallery, then come back into the Blink app. With this way, the problem is going to be solved. All done. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to press the subscribe button and smash the like button. If you want, you can watch this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you how you can convert anything into a second screen for your Windows operating system. See you at the next one.